everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to check events on investing.com. To get started, let's open browser. For now I'm using Microsoft Edge browser. You can use any of the browser. Here on search bar, search for investing.com and enter. It will open your investing.com account, investing.com website. Here you can see many options like economic calendar, ad-free version, investing. So now go for economic calendar. It will show you this kind of interface. Here you can see many events, the list of events. So in this way you can check events on investing.com. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, bye bye.